If you want to make sure you never miss a post, reply, or update from a community in Microsoft Edge, this video is going to walk you through the exact steps to turn on all community notifications. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll have your notifications set up properly so you can stay updated in real time. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Edge and go to the home page. On the page, look for the settings icon, which usually looks like a small gear. This icon is where you'll find the page settings and notification controls for the community area. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open the settings options. Once the settings panel appears, look for the notification settings section. Under that area, you should see an option labeled Manage. Click on Manage to open the notification preferences for that community or page. This is where Edge gives you control over exactly what kind of alerts you want to receive. Now that you're in the notification settings, find the toggle for Get All Community Notifications. This is the setting that ensures you receive every community alert instead of only selected updates. Turn that toggle on, and once it's enabled, your notification preferences will be updated immediately. After that, you're all set. From now on, Edge should deliver all community notifications so you can stay informed without missing important activity. This is especially useful if you actively follow a community, interact with posts often, or just want to make sure nothing slips through the cracks. And that's it. You've successfully turned on all community notifications in Edge. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.